Guys, so today we'll be making Pindi Chole. The recipe is very simple. I'm gonna make it very desi style, easy to make, no complications. So what I've done is I soaked these channas overnight. So the channas, they're hard. What I'm gonna do is I am gonna let them cook. So it's in a cooker. I'm gonna let it boil for like 3 to 4 whistles. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, just so you know when they're cooked, the chana itself are good to taste. Just a little bit, and gonna cover it. Three to 4 whistles, guys. The chana has been boiled, and as you can see, they have boiled pretty well. For the color, what I did was I added 2 tea bags in the cooker, pressure cooker, when I was boiling the chanas. So it's optional. If you'd like, you could do that. You can add like 2 tea bags and 2 black cardamoms for the color and a little bit of flavor. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna start adding spices to the cooked chana. The best part about this recipe is that you don't need any onions or tomatoes for this. So first thing, I'm gonna add some salt to it. Not much, because I'm gonna add some rock salt to it. Or what do they call it? They call it kala namak. Followed by some turmeric powder. Just a little bit of haldi, as you call it. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I make it a little spicy, so I'll just add a tiny bit more. Half teaspoon garam masala. One teaspoon of coriander powder. You can even add a half teaspoon more, because it always gives you a good flavor. And then some cumin powder. That's also going to be 1 teaspoon. A little bit of pepper powder. I would just use half a teaspoon because pepper spices a lot. Just half a teaspoon of pepper powder. A little bit of mango powder. Gives you a nice tangy zest to the chana. I would say 3/4 spoon. Or even 1 if you like. So I'll add a little bit more. There. Those are going to be the spices. I'm just going to mix them well. Mix the chana well. Great. Now we are going to prepare the tadka for it. So guys, for the tadka, we have a small pan here. I'm gonna add some ghee to it. Again, like I said, in Indian recipes, the tadka has to be with the ghee. You'll understand once you start using it, because it gives the best flavor. So I'm just gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. You can add oil as well. You can make it in oil. It's up to you. Once the oil is ready, Double check the oil. Sorry, ghee. We are so used to making it in oil. So once the ghee is ready, some cumin seeds. And I've kept some ginger and garlic chopped and ready, finely chopped and ready. So I'm gonna add the garlic first. Actually, let's just add ginger and garlic together. So there's ginger and garlic, finely chopped. So ginger. We'll add some garlic. I've used very little ginger and 3 cloves of garlic, just 3 cloves. We mix that well. I've also cut some green chilies, 2 green chilies. Just stir it for like a couple of minutes, guys, just like for a minute or two until we know it's ready. How we know it's ready is that strong smell of ginger and garlic goes away and they start looking a little brown. So as you can see, because it's on high flame, it's almost ready. What I'm going to do is, towards the end, just add a little bit of chili. This is for color. So I'm just going to add half a teaspoon or lesser chili to this. Stir it. And boom. I'm going to add it to my channa. Amazing. And I can move this to low flame because our channa is already cooked, so we don't want that. Gives a very good flavor, guys. Very good aroma to it. Now many like their chana masala dry, so if you like it dry, this is ready to be served with. All you have to do is just add some fresh coriander to it. Now I like my chana masala with some gravy, so what I did was, when I was boiling the chanas, I kept the water from the boiled chana because it had the color to it. As I already said that I used some black cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms and 2 tea bags for the color. So I'm just going to add that water because it has that flavor as well. Just a little bit, as much as you want. Stir it well and maybe cook it for like another 5 to 7 minutes. Also, towards the end, one final ingredient would be the tamarind water. As much as you need, guys. Again, I put like very little, like 2 teaspoons of fresh tamarind. I soaked it in warm water and then squeezed it for the juice. So here I'm going to add some tamarind juice. That's going to be enough. Again, this is as per taste, and mix it well. So that's it. Your chana masala is ready to be served, guys. So just transfer it to the bowl. Smells great. This is ready to be served. If you want to garnish it a little more further for presentation, you can slit some really thin ginger and sprinkle it, or use some more coriander to like garnish it on top of this. And it's ready. You can serve this with kulcha, with fulkas, with tandoori roti. It's up to you. Great. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys. Bye bye.